Jason wants to throw rubbish, but the lid of the trash can is dirty and full of bacteria. So he needs to wash his hand after he threw the rubbish. Jason is wondering, is it possible to make a trash bin that can open its lid automatically? So Jason searches on Google. Then he found the information that he can use Arduino to make a smart hygiene trash bin. Let's see how it works.
I know that you've been gone, you and me, we don't belong. It only makes me strong after the blood ran out. Don't wanna know one else, that's what I used to know. Reset my life after you go. And the wind blows like you had me so cold. Oh, oh, how did you know? Since you left.
Hi guys, my name is Dan and I'm in charge of this coding part. So now I'm going to explain a little bit about how the coding works. So as you guys can see here, the ultrasonic sensor's trig pin is connected to pin number 6 on the Arduino board, and the ultrasonic sensor's echo pin is connected to pin number 7, while the servo motor's pin is connected to the pin number 9. So this white loop here, this coding part is to calculate the distance basically. And here, if the detected distance is less than 15 centimeters, the servo motor will rotate to 90 degrees and it will take about 3.5 seconds. And if the distance detected is more than 15 centimeters, it will remain unchanged. Nothing happens.
One eternity later.
Product is.
So basically, this product really helped me because I don't like to touch the opener of the garbage because it's quite stinky. And yeah, this product is really helping.
Our targeted users are focusing on the public citizen and those health sector like pharmacy workers and hospital workers. During this pandemic, our product will be very useful and vital as we have to be very careful in our daily life. We have our civic responsibility to cut off the dissemination of any disease. With our product, users can easily open trash bin to throw the rubbish and garbage without touching on the surface.
From this project, I learned how to communicate with my teammate and how to provide an idea with my teammate.
Hi guys, so from this assignment, I just truly realized that how the development of the technologies nowadays has brought so much convenience to our world, which makes our life so much easier.
What I learned in these assignments is how to do animation, and I get some knowledge about the benefits of technology to this world.
This project, I have learned how to build a prototype using the Arduino kit, and I have a lot of fun by doing this project with my group mates.
During the assignment, I had learned that technology are significantly help us in our daily lives.
From the assignment, I've learned how to use the prototype that our leader Tony Chu has built for us.
I learned that how to use Arduino to solve problems effectively in our daily life to improve the quality of our life and enhance the functionality at the same time.
From this assignment, I found that teamwork is very important in a group, and only with that we can overcome all the problems we face along this assignment. And eventually we managed to accomplish our assignment project.